This is a quick video just explaining how to do the admin settings for the About Us section. I went ahead and revamped what we do here at Radon Defense Midwest. Hopefully this helps anybody that has questions out there. But once you're logged into the administration portal, you're going to go to the About Us section, and this is where you update the About Us configuration. So no matter what changes you make here, you have to hit save or it won't take effect. And it does take effect live. So what I mean by that is once you hit save and then go into Radon Shield Pro, all you have to do is refresh, start a new project, and then go down to the About Us to see those changes. So to start here, we have the ownership title, ownership content, the founded title, the homes repaired title, and the accolades title, along with the community focused or other title. So what we do here at Midwest, and I highly encourage all of our dealers to do, is to put a slide in that is about National Radon Defense first. Now, it's a little bit self-serving, but it also helps you, right? So the whole purpose of why you're in the network is to share knowledge, share resources, get credibility and trust from the homeowner. So what I've done here is created a slide that looks like this. And really it's just, we are proud members of the National Radon Defense Network. It's the largest radon service network in North America, founded in 2007, 50 plus exclusive territories. I put a new map on here showing all of our current dealers. Extensive training programs, innovation, shared knowledge, the founder, CEO, Kurt Drew, and then myself, the president of National Radon Defense, Anthony Mazer. So that's what that slide looks like. I feel like you should copy and paste this into your program. And to get access to this, just send Leif Hansen a message and he'd be happy to share it with you. In fact, he might even just share it with everybody right away all at once. Okay, and what I did find out in our software here, which was new to me, anything you put in the ownership title right here does not show up on the actual presentation. The About Us section in the presentation of Radon Shield Pro will start with About Us at the top of each. So the We Are is what I typed in for the content. The title has to have something in it because otherwise the software won't show that slide in Radon Shield Pro. So just type anything that relates to what your content is as a title for the administration portal to know that it needs to put that slide in Radon Shield Pro. So I wanted to do something where it's like, we are, and then that's my header, proud members of the National Radon Defense. The next one I did, logos, passion, and values. That's just my title that does not show up in Radon Shield Pro, but this does down here. What motivates us? Well, our passion is to, basically it's inspired people helping others. And then our values here at Midwest would be transparent, progressive, positive, and empathetic. This is a great place to just gain trust with your homeowner. I like putting our logos here. If you have a creative idea of what that picture should look like, feel free to put whatever you want in there, but I just put our logo. The homes repaired title, this is where I just typed in pictures of work to identify what the slide is, but again, that won't show up on the Radon Shield Pro presentation itself, but this does. Pride in our work, thousands of homes made healthier. And this is where I did a picture or a collage of all the work that our crews are doing out in the field. Next would be credentials. Benefits of doing good work, all the accolades that come along with it, right? So I have a picture of all of our memberships, all of our top ranks in Google, Home Advisor, Better Business Bureau, NRPP, and then the two states that we service, which would be Nebraska and Iowa, and then a picture of us receiving an award. So just a place to again, build trust in that you've been doing this a while. So if you want to edit that however you need to, feel free. And then the last one here I have is community focused. Again, this title will not show up on the slide, but this will. Here to help. Community focused local company. And all of these pictures would be team pictures in the community, working with customers, just anything that shows your team having fun and being out and about in the community. And so I've chosen to do, a guy on our team in production explaining the system with a couple homeowners. We did a community project where we emptied the trash out of customers' window wells and basement. And then, Sam Payne here at Midwest was entertaining the kid while we were doing our community outreach project. Me with a fan, thumbs up, team picture. And then if you really want to connect, put a picture of a dog in there somehow. So just a fun way to make them know that you're there. You're not going anywhere. You're a local company, not a national company, but you have the perks of a national company by being a member of National Radon Defense. So that's what I do. So what's that look like in the actual software? When I'm in Radon Shield Pro and I've refreshed everything, here it is, right? So the very first slide of the About Us, we're proud members, and we've already gone through that. Next would be what motivates us, and you can put things in bold. You do that by hitting bold, underline, italic, whatever you need to do down here. If you type, or if you click here and do heading 1, it's going to make it nice and large. Heading 2 is smaller print, heading 3 is a little smaller, and then normal is really small. So I like to do heading 1 and heading 3 for my text. So that's what this looks like with the 3 logos, the newly started Iowa Radon Defense, which we're really excited about in Des Moines. And let's see, passion, values. Next page, pride in our work, thousands of homes made healthier, pictures of the crews. And then benefits of doing good work, all the accolades. And then we're here to help, community-focused local company. So that's just what we do here at Radon Defense Midwest and Radon Shield Pro when we're presenting to customers. What's fun about this is you can make it your own. So feel free to get creative on this, share your experiences, share what you're doing with us. I'd love to know. I'm always open to new ideas. But this first slide, if you don't mind, put this in there. It's really going to set you apart from everybody else. And it's really not because our pictures are in it. That's just an added benefit right there. So, but put the slide in. I think it'll help you just kind of segue right into who you are as a company and instantly get your credibility up. So Leaf will send that out to you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Leaf or myself, and we'll take good care of you. Take care.